Hi everybody, this is the Left-Handed Shooter, and today we're going to take a look at this Ozark Trail Pocket Knife here I have here. Let's take a look. It has a it's got like a Stag handle here. It's got a pocket clip here. It's only it's just one-sided. You can't change it to the other side. The blade it comes fairly sharp. It's a frame lock. It's really skinny here. It's the knife is, if you can take a look here, it's fairly skinny. And the stag handle is just one little piece of it. It's a dual thumb. Let's see if I can do from this side. Oh my God. Let's see. If you're going left-handed, oh my, she don't want to go there. Okay. If you're doing it, that is pretty tough. And okay, and also she locks up fairly well. Wow. I have never really even used this knife at all. I found it in a pile of knives I had. I thought I'd do a review on it. I've never, wow. As a left-hander, coming out of this side here, there it goes. And let's see, let's turn this on. There we go. Lost a little light there for a second. But she for a $5 knife, I mean, come on, the sucker locks up really good. Let's see what else it's got here. Let's how long is this blade here? The blade comes in at like 3 inches. Overall around 7 inches. The handle itself about 4. And let's see here. And we're coming at 3.1 ounces as weight, which is about typical. But for this knife right here, it locks up really well. This is kind of skinny on your hand. If you're digging into stuff, you can feel it on your fingers here, but it's not too bad. It's got a little jimping up here if you want to get into it. Like a $5 knife, I mean, you really can't complain. I mean, of course, people complain about anything, but such is life. Remember, like, subscribe, and share, and do all that stuff. I will catch you on the next one. Later, guys.